How to turn off screen time without password in 2023 Apple iPhone. Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off the screen time without password quickly in the most easiest efficient way possible. So all you need to do is you're going to head over to your Apple settings. Okay, you're going to come to the search bar over here and you're going to write screen time. Okay, so you're going to come here and as you can see all these screen times over here. So all you need to do from here is just click on turn off screen time and then click on turn off screen time again. Now, if it asks you for a passcode or something like that, all you need to do from there on out is just click on forgot my passcode. And once you do forgot your passcode, you're going to put in your Apple ID and everything. And once you put in your Apple ID, verify yourself. And from there on out, you're going to easily access it. From there, just change your password according to whatever it is. And yeah, that's pretty much how it is done. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.